o'clock, nasaan si Secretary Clinton, mga 5 o'clock dito. Tapos diretso na ulit siya dun sa Diamond Hotel. Taga iba't ibang wire agencies pero proudly Pinoy.
Okay, guys.
So Jim is covering for
Associated Press.
AP. Proudly Pinoy, yeah.
Video.
Kaya lang best mo na no-cover si Hillary. Nabibilang mo pa ba?
Hindi, pangalawa. First yan. Yung arrival, first. Noon ako, ba't na yata?
Saan kami? Dito lang?
Oo, pwede ka dito, pwede ka doon. Kaya lang, pinakamaganda yung extreme na para makuha mo yung profile.
So, let's see kung anong makukunan natin. Yan na yung aeroplano ni Secretary Clinton. Yan siya bababa. Okay, that's it. Sure. Gusto na siya kay Ambassador Silva. Ako lang. Alright, cool. Kawai ka. There you go, good. Done. After run. Day 2. Hintay lang kami, first stop is sa DFA. Makikita nyo ay doon ang mga personal unit ng Kapolisan. Just in case may mga mag-rally or makalapit dito sa next day ni Secretary Clinton. Of the air for the second event. Dito na yung commemoration ng Mutual Defense Treaty. Ito yung USS Fitzgerald. Sabi yata mukhang dumaong siya dito for the event.
Thank you very much, and it is indeed an honor for me to be in Manila to commemorate the 60th anniversary of the U.S.-Philippines Mutual Defense Treaty. We are committed to our alliance. We are grateful for 60 years of partnership and the progress we have made together. And we look forward to many more years of working closely together on behalf of our two nations, our people, and the world. Thank you all very much.
Where are we headed?
We're going to the palace.
Okay. Anong ginagawa nila? Nagde-decide sila ng isang question lang?
Kasi limited na questions, so pinakonsolidate na lahat para ma-maximize yung oras, yung halaga ng pagkatan.
Lahat na may pangangailangan, masama. Una na kami sa National Museum, nandun yung public forum. Kasama yung mga vloggers, mga guests. This is the forum side.
Yes.
So everybody's here. Oh, this Ellen's there. Marisa. vloggers, no? Sa mga, sino pa?
Kung medyo na gano'n, lapit ako sa inyo, introduce yourself, magsing-maiksi lang. Yun yung pwede yung kasi marami pa gusto magkaroon. Okay?
Kung saan nangyayari ang lahat-lahat, eto sila. Printing the scripts. Hello! Everybody's busy. Hi, Michelle! Basta! I'm doing a vlog. Ano na? Parang fight lang ni Pacquiao yan.